Hello guys, today I want to share this video regarding installation of cabinet handles. So what happens, I got this neck knobs here and I want to change them to make a different look to my cabinet. So basically what I did, I went through Amazon, I found a couple of them like this, which is a long one. They go to I think 16 inch. So this one is 7 3/4, and the center hole in here, it's about 5 inch. That's what I did. So basically what I did with this old one that I have back then, look, so this is the old one, and actually I got this black knob so to match it. So the tools you need for this installation, it's basically a template, cabinet template. You can find it in Amazon or you can get it from Home Depot, but I got this one is $10 cheap. You have a horizontal and you have a vertical one. So this one it's 6 1/4 inch, because what happened, I have 5 inch center hole on the handles. Make sure you get the right template, because this one is 6 3/4. The other templates is 5 inch, 4.5, depends. And you need a tape measure if you need it. I don't need it because I'm using the template. You need screwdrivers, you need a pencil, and you need a drill, and you need the handle. So they come in a package like this. This is how they come with all screws. You order 15. You know how much it costs me, this one? This one is $8 at Home Depot. 15 for $21. Got them on sale. And I got these knobs for 20 bucks. They look small, but they're beautiful. It's like a difference between this knob and this knob. This one is actually 1 1/4 inch, and this one is 1.5. It's just a 1/4 inch difference. So it's not even a 1/4 inch difference. It's 1/8. And I got all the screws here. I got all the stuff that I need for my cabinet. I will do installation and I'll share the information with you guys. If you decide to give a new look to your cabinet, you can do that. If you need a professional installer, you can do it by yourself. Just give it time and that's it. This is not supported video. Please, the only thing supported on this video is your comment and your like and subscribe. Thank you, and I appreciate that if you can help. For the installation, you need this template. You're just gonna take the template. So basically what I did with this one, because I have the old holes in my cabinet, I don't want to destroy them. I don't want to make them look bad, so I'm using the old one. And I'm creating another hole on top of it, so that makes my life easy, but at the same time makes it harder because the hole that's being drilled here is totally different. But I try to work with this, so I'm trying to do my measurement, and this is how I do it. And I press here, and there is a hole in here which is a 5 inch, so I drilled my hole here. I drilled the pattern, which is the template. I have those ones in. So now I'm going to take my drill. Don't push too hard, because these cabinets are actually made from, let's say, cardboard boxes. My screws, I'm going to put them in here, both. Yeah, and I'll take the other one. Put it here straight too. Then tighten these things with screwdriver. Don't use the drill. Okay. Look, it's beautiful. Done professional way. This one is not done yet. So you see, I'm opening, closing, and it's good. Look, from the back too. Looks nice. Everything is perfect. Hello guys, this is the final installation of the in-cabinet handle installation. So basically I got 7 3/4 long, and I got the center hole is 5 inch. It's more convenient because your hand will go freely. You don't need 3 or 4 inch. Depends how big it is, but I prefer this. It looks good and it looks longer too, and it give it that really good look to the cabinet. 4 or 5 inches is too small. That's my preference. So this is, look, it's beautiful. I like it. And it looks nice. You see how those knobs, they give it like that really good look too, so it's matched. This is the first, I'm gonna give you far look from here, then you will see, guys. You see? Look, it's beautiful.